Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Starting with Camera Raw 10.3, Treatments and Profiles appear on the Basic tab in the Camera Raw dialog box. The available treatments include either color or black and white. The available profiles include many artistic and tonal transformations you can apply to an image before or after applying image adjustments or editing. Profiles do not affect the sliders that appear on the Basic or Details tabs. To apply a treatment to a Camera Raw image, select either the Color or Black and White option button in the Treatment section of the Basic tab in the Camera Raw dialog box. To apply a profile, select the name of the profile to apply from the Profile drop-down on the Basic tab. Alternatively, to open the Profile Browser tab to apply a profile or manage profiles, either select the Browse command from the Profile drop-down or click the Profile Browser button to the right of the drop-down. In the Profile Browser tab, the name of the currently applied profile appears at the top of the panel. You can use the Amount slider under the name of the profile to change the amount of effect applied by some category profiles. Profiles appear in collapsible and expandable groups at the bottom of the tab. Click the names of each group to expand and collapse them. To filter the profile groups by treatment, select either the All, Color, or B&W option button that appears in the middle of the panel. The drop-down to the right of those options lets you show the profiles in either a grid or a list. To apply a profile, click it within its profile group. To mark or unmark a profile as a favorite, click its star icon to toggle its favorite status on or off. Profiles marked as favorites appear within the Favorites profile group. To hide a profile group, right-click the title of the profile group to hide, and then select Hide Profile Group to hide the group. To show hidden profile groups, right-click the title of any available profile group, and then select the Reset Hidden Profiles command. To close the profile browser after managing or applying your profiles, click the Close button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.